Hey, weather-wise coming up, we're looking at a cold start tomorrow morning, but after that, a bit of improvement getting back into the weekend temperature-wise, but we're still tracking a couple of hiccups there, so focus on the short term. That is bitter cold coming tonight into tomorrow morning, and that's why we have that 10 weather impact alert for your Friday morning, 5 o'clock a.m. till about 9 a.m. The key, of course, say 3 times, layer, layer, layer. You probably will be taking off those layers during the second half of the day as temperatures get back to around 30 degrees. And it's not going to help you keep warm, but it'll help you get to where you want to go. Don't forget those shades. Very, very bright, the reflecting sun, especially early in the day, off of that fresh snow from Tuesday morning. So keep that in mind early in the day. Now, I'm watching a couple of clouds trying to work through Ohio. Parts of Ohio, they keep the cloud cover, mainly the southern third of the state right now. We'll see temperatures 4 or 5 degrees milder. I'm not going to say warmer because 15 degrees is not warm, but where we have the clear skies along I-70 northward, if that trend continues, we're talking single-digit lows tomorrow morning. Regardless, it is going to be a very cold morning tomorrow with the clear skies and light winds. We're seeing those clear skies right now lead to a pretty sunset, but it's also pretty cold. North wind at about 5 to 10, temperature at 24, still feels like 15 degrees out there. So an extra layer, not a bad idea tonight. Now the first half of the night, we're going to lose almost 10 degrees like that between 6 o'clock and about midnight tonight. As we go through the rest of the night, again, the cloud cover is really the variable that we're watching very closely. Even some mid-level clouds, which there could be a few floating around, will keep temperatures in the low teens to mid-teens. If we clear things out, for example, in Delaware, Marysville, Mount Vernon, you're looking at single digits, and outlying areas in some of those counties and communities, more rural areas, down close to 0, not out of the question. That will be the exception. Otherwise, we're looking at Columbus around 10, Circleville the same, New Lexington 11, Logan the same, around 12 in Chillicothe, and 17 in Piketon. So a very cold start to the morning. During the day tomorrow, we're going to gain 10 or 15 degrees, some spots about 20, but the bottom line will be tomorrow, light winds, fair skies, some sunshine. So not a bad end of the week, a little bit better than today, but once we get into that, of course, what's happening over our weekend? Now, we'll see a couple passing flurries on Saturday. That's about it. But models are coming together a little more consistently with a bit of a mess coming in on Sunday. Looks like mid-morning, some snow showers, maybe some rain showers. It's in and out fairly quickly with this system, and by mid-afternoon through the evening, we should dry things out. I don't think we'll see major traffic problems on Sunday or major problems getting around, but we'll be watching that situation closely. It's still 3 days away, but as it gets closer and then moves out, still looking a little better for your Monday, which will be cold but dry. Let's get you there. The next 10 weather impact 7-day forecast. Friday morning carrying that 10 weather impact alert because of those bitter cold temperatures, even with clear skies and light winds. 31 for a high with plenty of sun tomorrow. Chance of a flurry Saturday, not concerning. So if you are going to Indianapolis and back in one day or on Saturday night, won't be a problem. Sunday, we're carrying that chance of some snow or rain showers. Temperatures do get above freezing. We'll cool it down and dry it out Monday, the last one day. Back into the 30s as we get through Tuesday and Wednesday, warm enough for some snow showers and maybe some rain showers as we get into the midweek. After that, tracking some flurries, temperatures don't catch a break, actually going down again, high of only 34 next Thursday.